So hello guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel Esther Kitchen. Today episode of my video, I will show you how I make this goat meat curry sauce. Yes, goat meat curry sauce. These are the ingredients I use to prepare this delicious goat meat curry sauce. I have watch carrot chopped, I have curry there, I have goat meat watch and slice. That is the curry I will be using to prepare this sauce. Okay, I have carrot already chopped, and I have Irish potato already peeled and chopped, and I have bell pepper. I have it in red and green, yellow color. Okay, I have my white pepper, bell pepper powder, nutmeg powder, oil and curry and salt, and my fry pan is clean and placed on the cooking held. Okay guys, what I will be doing now is to add my bio oil on the fry pan. All right guys, to all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you. You guys are super amazing. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you are welcome. You are in the right place. Esther Kitchen, you are in the perfect place. Okay, watch my video, subscribe and put on the bell buttons for you to get notifications of my new video. Okay, I promise to always keep you updated. All right guys, this is my goat meat. I will season it with a little bit of Maggi and salt, which I have added before. Then I will rub it well for it to steam in before I start. Stay tuned guys and keep on watching. All right, I will place them into the fry pan. This is how I started. This is how the process started. Okay, no boiling, nothing. This is how you start. Then I will turn it. Okay, goat meat curry sauce can go for rice, it can go for yam, it can go for anything, jollof rice, it can go for anything you think of. And then I will turn it step by step. Keep on watching, you will like it. You will like it. I am back again with my delicious recipe. As you all know, you are in the right place. Esther Kitchen, promise to keep you all updated. Then I will turn it again. It's just the bio oil and the goat meat now, nothing added at the moment. Then I will turn it guys. Okay, all right, and now I will add the chopped red onions and stir together. I will still stir it. So now it's time to season it. I will add the nutmeg powder first. Oops, something went wrong. Then I remove it. And then followed by white pepper powder. Then I will stir it. Step by step, guys. And I will add curry powder. Curry powder will come like much. It will be quite much because that is what we are using to prepare it. That is what we call it, goat meat curry sauce. Still stir it, and then this time I will add water, a little bit of water. Okay, what I will do now, guys, after adding water, after I season it, add onions, nutmeg powder, white pepper powder, and curry powder. I will cover it. Okay, you get it? I will cover it for 20 minutes. This is the time I need to cover this. Now 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I open it. Then I will add the next thing that is coming now is a chopped or carrot. Then I will stir it. Okay. Then followed by a chopped Irish potato. Then I will stir them. Okay, and now the bell pepper will go in. I added a little bit of hot pepper because I like pepper. I add hot pepper to it that you can see inside, and it was hot. But you can decide to prepare it without hot pepper if you are not the type that eat pepper. And this recipe, you can also use cow flesh meat to prepare it. Okay, then guys, I will add a little bit of Maggi and salt. Then I will stir them properly together. I will stir it more. Okay, and now at this time I'll cover it again for another extra 15 minutes. Just 15 minutes. Don't forget, I've covered it up before for 20 minutes when the goat meat was low in the pan. Now this is after 15 minutes. This is it, guys. This is the outcome of this curry, goat meat curry sauce. Goat meat curry sauce, well garnished, well prepared, delicious and tasty. This is going for rice. You can just boil white rice, cook yam and put it aside. It is very delicious. Actually, I like using mine to eat rice. Okay, it's very delicious. This is the outcome. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Please share this video, share with your loved ones, leave me with a good comment.